The Real Roller replaces the front caster wheels on your California trimmer, and today we are going to break down our video into 3 chapters: the Real Roller benefits, Real Roller design, and our 5 Real Roller exclusive advantages.
You can be guaranteed at the lowest price and the highest quality product because we are the manufacturer, not a reseller of another company's product.
Let's keep this video to the point, and you're asking yourself, why do I need a Real Roller? It's simple. Replacing the front wheels that come stock in your California trimmer with a Real Roller will significantly improve the performance of your Real mower. In turn, your lawn will be greener, thicker, and professionally striped. So we designed and patented Real Roller specifically for each brand of residential Real mower on the market. Replacing the front wheels on your mower with a roller has 5 benefits.
The Real Roller stops scalping. It also gives you a closer cut. The Real Roller leaves your lawn with a professional stripe, while giving your lawn that level cut. And the Real Roller reduces soil compaction.
Our roller design fits 20-inch and 25-inch trimmer models. It's the exact same cutting height as the caster wheels with the exact same height adjustments, and it installs in under 10 minutes with no additional hardware needed, and is the exact footprint as the stock caster wheels, and the grass catcher can continue to be used.
And now our Real Roller advantages.
Constructed of all heavy-duty steel to outlast your mower. Each piece of steel is powder coated to match your mower and not aftermarket, and our premium bearings are rubber sealed, which are specifically intended for wet, dusty conditions. The beveled ends on our rollers glide across your turf for effortless turning.
And lastly, our Real Rollers are made in the USA.